Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share with you an online business idea that you can start right away and as low as $25. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus that will blow your mind. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the all-in-one $25 digital business. So it's for people who want to earn recurring commission, and for people also who want to start affiliate marketing, with a low cost and have a fighting chance, to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business. So when I say sustainability here, because even though you will be paying $25 per month, and if you promote these products, you earn 80% of commission, which is $20. So basically, you just need only 2 sales, guys. So 2 sales and you are in profit, right? So, and you the 100k a year here, so that's where I was talking about a very sustainable affiliate marketing program here, because you have the opportunity to take the premium program. So the premium program, guys, is really amazing. You will get ton of ideas on traffic, right, conversion, and also live coaching, guys. Every single day, guys, we have coaching here, right? So, and we have the 8 p.m. On Monday. We have the daily coaching 9 a.m. Eastern time, and guys, the traffic and conversion mastermind 11 a.m. So guys, it's really amazing. You will see basically the leaders of the program doing their marketing. So we have the opportunity to see how they are doing the marketing, so that we can replicate, because the best way to learn is to replicate what's proven to work. Okay, so anyway, you will have 1 week access to the premium program anyway. So 1 or 2 sales per week, you will be hitting 100k a year, guys. So I guess you are seeing how really amazing this product is, because you will start with $25 monthly, and you will be able to go this far if you upgrade to the premium. The premium is $125 monthly, and I think it's really worth it. Let's see here very quickly. So basically, once you hit those 2 sales in either way, the company is paying you instead of you paying the company is paying you. For example, let's go quickly to my affiliate dashboard here. We can see here I have 3 sales so far. So what does that mean here? So each month I will be getting $60. Let's say I am here, right? So at least I will have this. So you see, it's really working, guys. So let's go very quickly here.
basically with the $25, by the way, you will have access to a funnel builder. The funnel builder, it's really something else. So you will have as bonus, you have 30-day access to the funnel builder. The funnel builder come with an amazing training, guys, an amazing training. Besides the training, we have live coaching. About the funnels. People will share their funnels, and what we can do. We can even track all of this. So pixel next. So yeah, guys, it's really something else. So yeah, we have the training for the builder. By the way, the builder also costs $25. So if you promote this, you will be having the 80% commission. So I don't know so many I don't know any companies, as far as I know of, that is giving 80% commission here. So if we see here my affiliate dashboard, we can see that I have at least one sale for the funnel builders, and you see I can also track my clicks here. So on the side note, it's very important to track your clicks, because we need to measure. So we need to measure in order to improve, guys. So for the $25, we have access to the funnel builder for 30 days, and we can upgrade as well. So you'll have access to the cell system here. So it's proven to work here, cell system. So basically is by the way, the product is made by the HBA Home Business Academy, and they have paid over 1 million already to affiliate already. So you'll get access to a very powerful sales system for only $25 per month. And what else? You don't need to own your own product or website. You'll have you can get leads. So just I want to highlight that in any business you need to put the work, right? So it doesn't say whatever the product is. Let's say I mean by that, even if you buy let's say $5,000-$10,000 product, whatever the product is, if you don't put the work, it doesn't work for you. So you have to put let me clarify it. It takes work. But if you have a good system that's proven to work, definitely you can make it. So like I said, they have paid already over 1 million to affiliate. It means, what does that mean here? So it means that people are staying in the program despite that they are paying 25 monthly or 125 monthly, depending if they took the premium. People are still in the program. People are enjoying. It's a good community really to be in. So all right, so this is one of the co-founder, Paul. Yeah, so you'll have the opportunity to meet him, of course. Okay, so yes, 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 yes. So very quickly I want to show you basically the funnel builder. So let's go here. I'm gonna click here and log into the funnel builder. Just I want to show you something. Let's go to funnel. Let's add this step here. Just I want to show you guys very quickly here. So all these pages, we have access to all these pages. So whatever business you are doing, right, whatever business you are doing, so the funnel builder really has it all. You know, it's very powerful, and you know, all your time and privacy policy are done for you. The about page, webinar. By the way, very quickly again, you can do sell page, landing pages, my membership course, webinar pages, registration pages, blogs, only for $25 per month, guys. And if you promote this, you have 80% as well, so 20 bucks, right? So this is really great. So I don't know about you, I prefer paying $25 per month and earning 80% commission, that, you know, paying 97 per dollar, you know, to some funnel builders, you know. So yeah, so there is some very expensive funnel builders here, and I think the HBA funnel builder is a very powerful alternative and at a very good price. Okay, guys, by the way, you will if you are interested about this program, I have the link in the description, and if you join me in this amazing adventure, yes, I will give you granted to a program, the MLM Recruit on Demand, where I will give you access to the P1 level. So basically you will get 20 leads per day, guys. 20 leads with their phone numbers, emails, everything, and there is, you know, a dashboard that will teach you, you know, this, you know, what to say to the leads. You know, basically you will be able to promote your business. So, and those these leads is per day, and you know, it's going to increase very quickly. So, and by the way, you can even click here if you want to get more leads. So this is amazing. And on the side note, also, if you don't want to call the leads, there is a software that you guys can use. It's called Slide Test. So basically you can test, you can send a broad message to people, because you have already the phone number, so you can market as well through SMS messaging through SMS, I mean. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, so please like and subscribe, and let me turn the camera back.
Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and see you on the inside.